fuel filter actually looks pretty good. It's dirty on the outside.
Hard to see because it's dirty.
Yeah, dirty on the outside, but look at that. Still got good color. We took off the plastic covers for the belt because out here when the grass is really long, it'll get clogged up in those little covers and then it'll either start a fire or mess up the belts or the pulleys.
1 year old, probably, I don't know, a couple hundred hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that one's a little bit shorter than the new one we put in. It still fit on there though.
Well, I got it cheap. That's what you get when you buy it cheap.
Oil filter, and then to the right of that is the drain fitting, and then there's that little kind of bolt you can loosen up, and then it'll go out that fitting that way. So we don't want it to spill all over everything. Little like plastic clear hose that fits perfectly on there, and we put that on there, kind of snake it down, and then we just got drain pan underneath that catches all the oil. And then the only oil spill you have to worry about is just when you take the filter off. Snake this down, and then okay. Looky there. Make sure you warm up the engine.
Which
we already did.
There she goes.
Should start flowing soon.
Now, does that nut come all the way out so the oil spills out by your hand, or will it stop?
It'll stop.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
See all that black?
I can see the black on the hose there.
Yeah. Got it draining. And we got it filling down there. Just running up through there. Yep, flowing good. I'll let that drain and then we'll get the filter off. Socket thing that you undo that comes out and then lets the oil in. Don't force this when you're loosening it. Kind of loosen it with the wrench. You can start hand undoing it, and then when you reach a certain point, it'll stop. Don't force it past that or else it might break. And then you can just hand tighten it and then use the wrench to snug it up. Nice. Let's take a look in here. Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Put a little bit of oil around that O-ring.
Come on, boy. They just say hand tighten it, don't use your wrench. So this is 5W30 Mobile 1 synthetic. I put 530 in there because that's what the manufacturer recommends on this cooler. By the way, I got that on sale at Costco, 6 bottles, and I think it was like 20, 25 bucks. It was just unbelievably cheap.
That ain't bad.
For Mobile 1, that's really good.
I think it's a good way.
Okay, I think we'll just leave it at that for now.
Oil filter on. Close the drain. Yeah, we're still on the low side, so you can add the rest of that quart.
Well, the manufacturer's book says exactly 2 quarts.
Hustler Raptor. Yeah. You gonna cut today?
No.
Good?
Makes it easy.
Yep.
What else you got going today?
Probably just some mini bikes and stuff.
Let that dry out here.
Okay. Alright guys. Well, thanks for watching this video. Quick little tune up on the Hustler Raptor SD.